ToneKeeper is a secure, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet for the Telegram Open Network blockchain. It is very easy to use, just like any other crypto wallet. I have downloaded ToneKeeper from Google Play. I also put the link to its website in the caption, which contains the download link for Android, iOS, and even desktop. And you can download it from there. After opening the app, this page shows up and you can create a new wallet. Or if you already have a wallet, you can import it. I will create a new wallet by clicking this option, enter a 4-digit passcode and confirm it. Here is the main page of Tonkeeper wallet. The first thing you should do after creating the wallet is to back up its recovery words. To do this, click this button or go to settings, select the backup option, click the backup manually button, click the continue button, enter your password. Here, write down these 24 words. The order of words matters. Be careful to save it in a safe place. This is very important because anyone who has access to these words has access to your wallet. So you should not give them to anyone and you must save them so that if there is a problem with your phone, you can restore your wallet. When you click the check backup button, it asks you to enter a few of the words. For me, it asks for the words 5, 11, and 23. After entering, click the done button. If there was no problem, it means that you saved and entered the words correctly. If you want to see the words again, click this button. And here it shows you. This is your wallet address, which you can copy and send to others to receive Toncoin, tokens, or NFTs. Also, if you click the receive button, it will show you both the address and the QR code of your wallet, which you can copy and share with others. I also recommend you to turn on the fingerprint option. When I enter the password and place my finger on the fingerprint sensor of my phone, it will be activated for me. Also, if you want to hide the token from home screen or show a token, you can do so from here. It automatically identifies the tokens that are deposited into your wallet and adds them to this list. In the browser section, you will see a number of decentralized applications, and in the connected section, you can see the applications that your wallet is connected to. I have sent a small amount of Toncoin into this wallet, and if I refresh it, you will see my balance. When I click on Toncoin, here are the prices, charts, and transactions. Here is the Tone that I received, and if I click on it, I can see the TX details. I can also open the transaction in Tone Viewer, which is the Toncoin Blockchain Explorer. To send crypto from send section, I have to paste the wallet address that I want to send crypto to, or I can scan a QR code if I want. Also, if you want to transfer to an exchange, you probably need to enter the comment. Here I have to enter the amount of crypto I want to send. From the top, I can also switch between cryptos, and instead of Tone, I can select any other token I have. If you click on the max button, it selects your entire balance to send. When I click the continue button, it shows me the transaction details here, and by clicking on the confirm and send button, my transaction will be completed. When I click on my transaction, I can see its details and I can open it in Tone Viewer and check its status. My transaction has not been confirmed yet, and I will wait a while and then refresh. You can see that the transaction has been confirmed. On the main page, if I refresh the page, my balance is now 0. You can also swap different tokens in the swap section. This section is connected to the decentralized exchange Stone.fi and uses that exchange for swaps. You can select the token you want to swap, for example, give Toncoin and get Tether instead. Also, if you want to add other wallets, you can easily do this by clicking this button and then the add wallet button. If you already have a wallet and want to import it, you must select the existing wallet option. ToneKeeper also supports hardware wallets and you can pair your wallet with them. For example, if I click the existing wallet option, here I have to enter the 24 words I have so that I can import my wallet. To create a new wallet, I can also click the first option. And here I can change its name. And my wallet will be created and I can easily switch between my wallets by tapping on my wallet's name. Also, every new wallet you create should have its 24 recovery words backed up, which you can do just like the previous wallet.